You've lived in East Texas long enough, you know it's hot. So what?
Right, and it was hotter last summer. And so, we're looking at the globe here, and we're using satellite data. So none of this data is actually going to go in to the record books as the standard of record, but it gives us an indication of what's going on across the globe. So let's talk about some perspective here. Again, not from surface observation. These are estimated temperatures using satellites, but they are fairly reliable at coming close to what's going on. None of the numbers will be entered into the official National Weather Service or the National Center for Environmental Information record books, but it does suggest a trend. And that trend we've seen here in East Texas. In Tyler, going back to 1970 to 2022, we have seen 11 more days on average of 100-degree heat. Our past climate was cool. Our current climate is starting to move into that extreme heat phase. And once again, a lot of that is blamed on rising carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere and also on climate change. 100-degree days, last year in Tyler at this point, we had about a dozen, Lufkin a half dozen. So far this year, not there. Cooler weather, cooler temperatures potentially on the way this evening with some thunderstorms. Right now, though, at Longview, still sunny, 84. Look at Henderson, rain and thunder down to 82 there. A welcome change in Jacksonville with sunshine, 85, feeling some of the effects of nearby thunderstorms. Thunderstorms from just south of Tyler all the way down here toward Joaquin, moving to the northeast. We'll move into Carthage, Liberty City, Mansfield, and Big Sandy by about 6 o'clock. These showers and thunderstorms headed toward Lake Point and Beckville between now and 6 o'clock. And you can see New Chapel Hill, White House, a thunderstorm, rain just starting to move into the south side of Tyler right now. All of this will stay with us for about the next 3 to 4 hours and then generally fade away after sunset. So this is what radar could look like at 7 o'clock. Scattered showers and thunderstorms again. By 10 o'clock, they're gone. Tomorrow looks like a nice but hot summer day with a wonderful southwest breeze at 10 to 15 miles an hour. I mean, in the shade with a glass of lemonade, you got it made in the shade. Isolated thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon, then Friday night into Saturday. We'll watch a few clouds arrive. Could be a couple of showers moving through the area Saturday afternoon. I've thrown back in that 30% chance, and Sunday also a 30% chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms. So scattered thunderstorms here this evening, partly cloudy skies overnight. Otherwise, it is a typical July night with the low dropping to 73, which is just about average for this time of the year. Here's your Baylor Scott & White Texas Spine Joint Hospital 7-day forecast. So a seasonably hot but nice summer day again tomorrow. Just a 20% chance of rain and a high temperature of 95. A stray thunderstorm possible Saturday, 95. Isolated rumbles on Sunday, 95. Thundery at times Monday, a little cooler, 94. And then the heat begins to build in. Hot, humid Tuesday, some upper 90s could be in the forecast next Wednesday and Thursday. A look ahead in the 10-day forecast tonight at 6.